Dialogue 8.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Very well.
Where are you from?
I'm from Portland. And you?
I'm from Medford.
Oh, Medford is very beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Can.
I can cook Thai food. You can swim. He can play tennis. She can write very beautifully. We can play the guitar. They can speak Chinese.
I can't jump high. You cannot cook Italian food. He cannot play snooker. She can't drive. We cannot sing. They can't speak Japanese.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can they speak German?
No, they can't.
Can he play tennis?
Yes, he can.
Can she cook Italian food?
No, she can't.
Can John use a computer?
Yes, he can.
Can Susan drive?
No, she can't.